This segment is sponsored by CR Toys.
Welcome back to NTV's Good Life. Hang in here with Connie. CR Toys, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Hey.
Easter is about here, and we have lots of fun stuff.
Yes, yeah. And there's still plenty of time to come, and you have something
And we
really
still
for
have a
everyone.
lot of selection. I mean, it's we have so much stuff, it's just, you know.
Yeah.
So I have to show you this. This one is getting all kinds of feedback on it.
Because Carol loves this one especially, so.
We had a little boy, it was so cute, trying to figure out where they're coming from.
And that's just chicken, hen and the egg, or what's that called? If somebody wanted to come.
Chicken and the egg.
Chicken and the egg, okay.
Yep, I'm going to throw it over here.
So that's for any age, just saying, any age, that chicken. All right, so where else do you want to go?
I love this. We've been having a lot of people ask us for something that's quiet for church. So I think this would be perfect. And they have really cool...
oh, that is cool.
They are like a chalk and a crayon together. So they come like this.
Every day.
Try to write with this. It's really cool the way it writes.
Ooh.
And then it doesn't smudge after you're done with it. And then you just use a damp rag and it'll wipe it right off.
That feels good to write.
Yeah, it does. And it's a lot of, you know, activity for the kids, quiet and...
Well, this would be good for any age. Now, does it come with one of these?
Comes with 4.
Comes with 4, okay.
Yep, and then we
Great.
actually sell packs of big ones. We have a lot of schools that use those. They love them for their chalkboards, their dry erase boards.
This is awesome.
Yep.
Somebody a little better penmanship than me, probably Mallory. All right.
So I love these for the Easter baskets. It's one of my favorite things to do, and they're little dot jewels or jewel dots.
Ooh.
And so we have all different kinds of bags they sell for $7.99. But the new thing that we just got in, I absolutely love. The kids can do this, and you know how you never know what to do with it afterwards?
Yep.
These are greeting cards. So they're making like happy birthday, thank you, and then they can send them off to grandma or whoever
Carol
they
perked
want.
up. I mean, this would be good for any age. I mean, this
and
is
I
not
love
just
doing
for
it.
kids.
I personally, I mean, if you look at the big cat one up there, I did that one, and everybody was looking at me going, but I love doing them. This is one of my favorite things to do, and I love the fact that you can make your own cards, but it gives you a little project to do it.
Now, does it have extra little dots in case you lose one? Because I can see myself having a little issue.
All different kinds there, but I mean, I just think this is a brilliant idea. So,
and sending cards is kind of on a comeback, especially a thank you card. Now, they say anything inside? Are they blank inside?
They all have their own little theme. Like this, you know, each one has their own.
Okay.
This one's definitely thank you.
Thank you. This one's a thank you too.
Yeah, there is happy birthday.
I like it.
And then this has been really popular. These are our surprise balls, so start unwinding those. And I'll keep talking while you're doing that.
Can you please?
Yep. We also have these eggs that do the cha-cha.
No, wait, Carol.
Little gifts.
Carol, we need to have Carol come over. And
Come on, Carol.
come over. Now watch Carol do the cha-cha.
And I love this little, you have somebody who likes to do Legos, get this for your place, and then they can create this little Easter theme, tear it apart after Easter, then next year they come and it's their job to build the little bunnies for Easter.
Seriously, what is this that she's doing?
It's a surprise ball. It's got different surprises.
Oh, how fun.
Inside of it. Nope.
No, that's your job. That's why I brought you in,
So
Carol.
this one gave her a little fortune. Your little fortune's right here to start with.
Do you know what it says?
There is always more than one right choice. If you look too long at the closed doors, you may not see the one which is opened for you.
Could you repeat that?
And then you just keep going. I mean, look at how much fun. I mean, this is just the experience for the kids. It's got lots and lots.
Wait, are you sure there's something in there?
There is. There's like little bubbles, or there's little...
You're right. You started
tattoos, or what's this?
Is it a tattoo?
This one's got fool's gold in it.
Ooh.
Something else. Oh, there's 3 things.
Oh, and a little fun guy.
Oh, nice.
So, but look at how cute these are.
Okay, look at us.
Wait, where did they put
a little piece of
We have really, Mallory, are they sitting there? That there's Easter bunnies and chicks.
Oh,
This is a big one. that's done in an Easter bunny, so you can do it with a whole group. And then you've got a little chick. Aren't they cute?
Oh my
You
gosh.
can keep this next year to put in the Easter basket as the filler.
That would work.
Look at Carol.
That would work.
Recycle.
Yep.
Okay, these are fun.
Yeah, I like those, and we had a grandma that sent us a picture with their little ones using them. We loved it.
Those are cute.
Remember the old water games? We got water games.
Those.
These are, okay, I might make my own Easter basket. Is that kind of, no?
You can do that.
Yeah, thank you.
Because when you're in the car, you want to drive and
Yep,
do
it did something. Yep.
right?
Yep.
Yeah, just say it.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Even if you're stopping for a milkshake. All right, we got
And
about,
then the earrings. Do you remember the old? These would be great in a basket. The stick-on earrings.
But we have more to show you. Hang on to that one because
Yep.
that one's cute.
Yep.
That's the next segment.
okay. Stay with us. We'll be right back.
Well, see our toys. You can see their toys here at the mall, and Mallory Wheeler's joining me right now with some more fun ideas.
Yes.
Can we start with this one because this is always the favorite.
Love that one. So those are our egg mazings. We have two different styles in those. We have the regular one, and we also have a dinosaur one.
Oh,
but you
okay.
put hard-boiled eggs in there, and then you turn it on, and it spins it, and then you hold your marker up to it, and they can draw different lines. They can do
That's so
decorations
fun.
that way. It's just an easier way. It's cleaner. It's not all the mess of having to do all the dyes, and it's super easy.
And it's fun.
Yeah, we have one of our daycares, and they've come in and gotten a couple of them because they will do them year-round.
Yeah.
But the kids eat the hard-boiled eggs and stuff like that, and so it's something
It's mesmerizing,
fun for
too,
them
to
to
just
do.
watch it go around and make your own creation.
Yes,
Love
100%.
that.
Yes, love those.
Okay.
Yes.
Next.
So these are fun. We have these for little Easter baskets. So they are battery operated, but you put them in the water, and then they have little fountains.
Cute little
And so
fun
there's
stuff for the bathtub. for the kiddos.
four different designs for those. So they are so cute for little
Those
ones.
are fun. Very
And
cute
then
idea.
we just got these in. So we've always
Little
carried
Frisbees?
our wingman Frisbees. These will actually float in the water, but they're made to float.
So you're
And
not going to lose them.
So these two here.
Oh, those two are the floaties. Okay,
Yeah. So they're
perfect.
called Flobo. So they're brand new for us. And we have like four or five different color
Ronnie,
designs.
here, catch. Ready? And these are just like little floppy
So
rubber
these are our
ones.
wingmen. Yep.
Oh, those
And
go
so
well.
Those go with the game that we've got.
Oh,
And so this is called the back 9 game. So
Okay.
you have your circle here, and so you would throw this out onto the ground.
Or to Ronnie.
And then everybody would have their own disc, and so it's kind of like horseshoes. So then everyone would
Yes.
fling them, and you're trying to see who can get the closest.
and they fling
you get
really
points.
easily, and it's not going to hurt you if it hits you.
Correct. Well, and like, I mean, we're in Nebraska this time of the year. You never know. Like for Easter, like I'm getting them for my family because you can play them inside or outside because it's just
Good
so
idea.
they're nice and soft and
They're not going to break a lamp.
Yes.
in my
Like,
grandma's
they're-
house.
Yeah, so I'm getting them for our family for
Good thinking.
Easter. So those are called back 9. And
Very
then
fun.
we've got this one here. So this one, it's a little maze. And so it's got the ball, and you have to go all the way through.
So it's
start
just
with
one
this
ball
side.
for all the mazes.
Yes, and so you go all the way through.
Through
so you
each
tilt
color.
them. Yep, you tilt them, and then it will go.
Have you conquered this one?
I have.
She does. That's why she always beats us in games too. Mallory.
I know.
You
But
trickster.
practice.
I know that's
and
fun.
so it is a lot of fun. And then we just got these in. So these are new little remote control cars, and we've got a bunch of different
Very
ones.
cute. Look at those. What kid doesn't love a remote control car?
Yeah, and they're just nice and again small, so they would fit exactly into an Easter basket. So those are cute.
Yep.
And then we've got our off.
This is a neat
beats.
idea.
So this one, it's great if you have anybody who
creature.
likes to do any of that building, work with Legos. So this is really cool, you guys. And so there's a bunch of different styles in those, but again, they're just nice and small. So
Yeah.
they fit exactly into the Easter basket.
So if you have the engineering mind child that likes doing things, and there's different, it's not
Yes.
just one
Yes, there's
thing they
three
can
different-
make.
yep, three different
ones
ones.
that they can make.
So those are fun. And then the
Very
other
fun.
one, if you have anybody who likes doing fun, we have our Excellence. So these come with 6 different eggs in there.
Okay.
And they are different experiments for them to do.
Fun.
And
For
so
what age is that for?
It's recommended 8+, but some of the
Okay.
experiments are even younger than that. Like there's like the fake snow, and when we carry that, it's usually 4+, and so you
Okay.
just powder and it puffs up.
An idea.
There's solar beads, so they're just the pony beads that they can make a bracelet, and then when they go out into the sun, they'll change colors.
Oh, fun
So,
ideas.
Yeah, super, super cute. We love
They're
them.
educational. That's what I love about all your
And then
things.
we've got, of course, like our little critters here. These would go great into a little egg. So They are great, you guys.
Very
We have some
cute.
Super cute ones.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be, excuse me, just the candy, excuse me, and the eggs. I mean, that's kind of fun.
Yes,
Kids love all
definitely.
kinds of farm tools. Oh, here's
Definitely.
another one. So there's two different kinds of these that you can get.
Yep, those
Oh,
are great.
yeah.
We've got like our little slingshots here. So these are great. They come with like the nice, like they're not
Yeah.
hard balls, so they would
Very
be something
fun.
too. Yes.
Well, there's always fun things to do here at See Our Toys, and we're going to be back with them a little bit later on the show, so stay with us. We're coming back.